Ionicks provides you an IoT solution for the printing industries to monitor your print house activities such as production quantity, machine runtime, machine downtime and job schedules. An ERP system comes with our hardware which can help you to get more productivity in your printing industry.
Features of IoPRINT system.
Total quantity of printing.
Actual quantity of printing without wastage.
Record of shortage or excess quantity.
Runtime for every job.
Make ready time for every job.
Downtime for maintenance.
Downtime related to the job.
ERP for printing worksheet.
Customer database and ERP.
Job schedules in ERP.
Integration of production data in ERP.
Integration of runtimes and downtimes in ERP.
For any queries, please email us to ion@ionicks.com.